Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. here. Today we're working on the 2007 Chevy Avalanche. We're doing some interior corrections or fixes, if you will. Before we get started, if you'll smash the subscribe button for me, helps the small channel out, notification bell, and thumbs up at the end of the video. There's tons of videos on this. Now this will carry over from 2007 to 2013. Any GMC Tahoe, Yukon, Sierra, Silverado, and including the Avalanche. Now today we're actually going to work on the center console right here. In this era of GM trucks, if this is not conditioned quite often with getting clean and stuff, it's going to crack and it's going to start. Now this is a cheap upgrade, 50 bucks on the Zon. I'll link it below. They have it in the tan, they have it in titanium, and they have it in black. And it comes with basically the whole new lid and shutting mechanism, but we do have to swap it out. Now in this area, you can see where it's cracking. The other side looks just fine, but it is what it is. Again, under 50 bucks, I'm not gonna try and repair that. Repairs just don't last very long. And the pros that do it, you're gonna probably spend more than 50 bucks getting it repaired, which won't last as long as a new lid. Now for this era, again, the seats and the consoles are typically where they start showing some wear, and this is an easy fix, guys. So first things first, we're going to get out our handy dandy Phillips head and drill driver. Now the new lid doesn't come with your hinge assembly, so that's why we need that driver. If you don't have a Phillips head drill bit screw gun type thing, take out the screws, you're just going to have to do it the old fashioned way with a regular Phillips head. So as you can see, these empty holes, there's 2, 4, 6, 8 hole ones we need to do. And then once you get that out, you're going to push the indent for the lid release, so this little panel will come off. And then if we get in here, guys, you can see one thing we're going to have to do is undo those 4 screws. Hold on to those screws. Your new console lid does come with new Phillips to attach this to that, so you don't have to sweat that as much. But you're just going to remove those 4. You don't have to remove any other trim pieces to swap out this lid. And again, the new one comes with a new catch, so you don't have to swap that out either. Now this is a good opportunity to go ahead and get this area cleaned up, whether you need to vacuum the console out. I always encourage people while you're in there, clean up the mechanisms. If there's dust, dog hair, whatever in there, go ahead and get that crap cleaned up. That way, it's just a nice, clean, finished product all put back together. All right, so here is our new console top. The color match is good. You can see it is basically the same quality as the OEM one. Obviously, this is the new titanium, so over years you might have seen those faded spots, but don't worry about the color match. It will be fine. So in here with the shadows, it does look a little bit darker, but again, it is the same color as the other one. It's just the different lighting and stuff. So now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to chuck the old plate away here. We're going to take this bottom plate off this bad boy. Again, those 8 screws. You'll need a Phillips head for that. All right, guys, if you have an extra hand to help you get this new one lined up, to get these screws in, once you get them in, just get them tight. Don't over tighten if you're using a drill because you want to break out the plastic. So that's reinstalled. So now we're just going to take this cover right here. We're going to put it up in here first, so we can put it past the catch. There we go. And then we're just going to slide it back into place and screw it back down. All right, now we're going to replace the 8 little screws, and she's done. All right, and there's that, guys. It's in. It looks good. Again, versus the actual console versus the seat color, does appear a little bit darker, but the seats go well with it. Anything looks better than the actual beat up one that's torn. And again, $50 worth. All you need was a Phillips head screwdriver. Now, if you want to, the one on the GM one, the actual mounting, or sorry, the release is a little bit more robust. So before you chuck this, if you wanted to take that out and save it just in case that latch breaks, these are notorious for that year to break anyway. So it might be worth your time to take that apart and at least keep the actual catch if it's still functional, just in case you need one later. So as always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Hopefully this was a huge help for you guys. Like I said, less than 20 minutes by myself, video and everything. And if you have an extra set of hands, you could probably do it much quicker. All right, guys, need anything else on this truck, make sure you comment below and we'll catch you on the next one.